Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I am going to be making a nice Indian treat, a little sweet, something you could whip up really easily for Diwali or anything, party, whatever you want. It's called Kesar Peda, and let's get on with it. So simple. It's only a few ingredients. Now you do need ghee. Ghee is part of the flavouring in this, so I've just got a tablespoon or so of ghee, and I've got it in my sort of wok, heavy base wok here, and I've just turned that on, so I just want to melt that, and then we're going to get that onto about a medium heat. Alrighty, now once my ghee there is melted, and like I say, I've just got that on a medium heat now, I'm going to add, now this is there's different ways you can make Kesar Peda. This is the absolute shortcut method, and it still works really well, so why not do it the short way? And to help with that, I've got a tin here of sweetened condensed milk. Now that's I don't know if you can see that, 397 grams condensed milk. White's 397 and not 400. I never know with these, but they all seem to be the same. Doesn't matter. One of those into our ghee. And give it time to, it's a little bit cool here this morning, so I want to give it time to all run out, and I'll grab a spoon. Now next thing I want to add to that is I've got 1.5 cups of powdered milk, and I've just got my sifter here, and I'm going to whack it in there. And we'll just sift that in. Easy peasy. Now we'll incorporate that into our ghee and condensed milk. And now on that medium heat, once it's mixed in, we're just going to keep doing it a bit of a stir, and just takes a bit of patience. We're just going to let it do its thing. So only a few minutes later, as you can see, that's starting to sort of come away. Ooh, got the Harley next door down below. Love it, love that Harley, beautiful one. Boy. Now like I was saying, just as it starts coming away like that, I want to add 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now in here, I've just got 3 or 4 tablespoons of, I started with warm milk, and I've just had a good pinch of saffron stream infusing in that. Kesar, as in Kesar Peda, Kesar component actually means saffron. So we'll tip that in. And we'll continue stirring that. It starts going a nice sort of pale golden colour from that saffron, and we'll just keep stirring it. Like I say, it's a little bit labour intensive, but this is the easy method, believe me. Alrighty guys, so it's about 10 minutes later. Now this is what you're waiting for, is we get to this stage where it just starts coming together more like a dough than a sort of batter, and that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to get that off the heat, just onto a flat tray, and just let it cool down a little bit. Alrighty, so I've just let that mixture cool a bit, and as you can see, as it cools, it just becomes more like a dough, as I already sort of alluded to. Now what we're going to do with those, I've just got a teaspoon here, and I'm just going to sort of cut off scoops, so like I've got like a big sort of heaped teaspoon like so, with absolutely clean hands of course. What we're going to do is just roll and roll and roll that into a ball. And you want to keep rolling it till it hasn't got too many sort of cracks in it, but I haven't got the patience to what some people do is they put ghee in their hand as well, and that makes it even smoother. I'm not too worried about that. Once I've got a ball like that, I'm pretty happy. Now here I've just got some pistachio nuts, and I'm just going to grab one of those for each one, basically as a garnish. So I'll sit that on top, sort of press it in, and then sort of with 2 fingers press it down, and that's it. I'm happy with that. And I'll just get on with those, and once they're ready, they'll sort of harden up a little bit at room temperature, but I might even put them in the fridge for a little while as well. Alright, so as you saw, I finished my Kesar Pedas. I've just got a few on a plate here. I'm just going to give them a try. Just have a look up close. Like I say, that nice sort of pale golden colour. We've got a nice garnishing of nut there. You can see a little few strands, odd strands of saffron in the dough there. Anyway, let's give it a taste. Yummo. It's nice and chewy, which is not a bad thing. It's yummy. It's got a nice little tang from the cardamom. Yeah, yummy. Not much more I can say. Delicious. It's sweet enough from just that sweet condensed milk. I'm glad I didn't add more sugar. Definitely doesn't need it in my opinion. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. And can I just ask, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, can you hit that subscription button? I'd really appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything. There's no obligation on your part, but it really does help my channel out a lot. And yeah, if you could do that, I'd be grateful. Alright, I will see you all next time.